Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about low water cutoff for Vulcan Hart part #00-880030. The Vulcan Hart 00-880030 low water cutoff is a safety device designed to protect steam boilers from low water conditions. It is a mechanical device that monitors the water level in the boiler and shuts off the fuel supply if the water level drops below a predetermined point. The device is typically installed on the side of the boiler and connected to a float switch. When the float switch detects a low water level, it triggers an electrical signal that shuts off the fuel supply to prevent damage to the boiler. The low water cutoff also includes an alert. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Vulcan Hart 00-880030 low water cutoff is designed to prevent boiler damage due to low water levels. It monitors the water level in the boiler and will shut off the fuel supply if the water level drops below a predetermined level. This helps to protect the boiler from damage due to low water levels, which can cause overheating and other problems. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the boiler and allow it to cool. 2. Disconnect the existing low water cutoff from the boiler. 3. Install the new low water cutoff in its place, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 4. Connect the wiring harness to the appropriate terminals on the low water cutoff, making sure that all connections are secure and tight. 5. Reconnect power to the boiler and test for proper operation of the low water cutoff by manually activating it with a screwdriver or other tool. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.